Okey, saya dah sampai di stesen Tehran Milad Tower. Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekarang saya berada di stesen 93 for Milad di Tehran. Saya nak menghala ke Milad Tower. Alright, itu adalah tempat yang saya nak pergi nanti. Milad Tower, saya nak tengok Tehran daripada atas. Saya nak pergi ke Milad Tower. Dia dekat je lah dengan stesen ni. Kita jalan kaki je, okey? Alright, saya nak pergi, nanti saya tunjukkan kepada anda situasi di atas sana nanti, okey? Alright, salam.
Shadows fill an empty heart as love is fading from all the things that we are but are not saying. Can we see beyond the scars and make it to the dawn? Change the colors of the sky and open up to the ways you made me feel alive, the ways I loved you, for all the things that never died, to make it through the night. Love will find you. What about now? What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we could never find? Baby, before it's too late. What about now? Sun is breaking in your eyes. Start a new day. This broken heart can still survive with the touch of your grace. Shadows fade into the light. I am by your side where love will find you. What about now?
Okey, saya dah sampai di hadapan Milad Tower di Tehran. Kejap lagi saya nak cari tahu cara untuk kita masuk ke dalam untuk membeli tiket masuk ke dalam. Okey, kita dah masuk ke dalam bangunan Milad Tower. Saya dah cari kaunter tiket untuk menghala ke atas insya-Allah. Okey, sekarang saya dah betul-betul berada di kaki bangunan Milad Tower. Tengok, itu adalah Milad Tower.
What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we could never find? Baby, before it's too late. What about now? Now that we're here, now that we've come this far, just hold on. There is nothing to fear, for I am right beside you for all my life. I'm yours.
Okey, dengan harga tiket sebanyak 1 juta ataupun 100 toman ataupun bersamaan dengan RM70 Malaysia, kita boleh masuk ke dalam ke atas Milad Tower. So nanti saya akan tunjukkan kepada anda bagaimana rupanya di atas Milad Tower. Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih. Okey, sekarang saya dah berada di dalam lift untuk naik ke atas di Milad Tower. Okey, saya dah sampai di atas Milad Tower. Kejap lagi saya nak menghala ke glass box di mana kita boleh ambil video. Oh ni, okey, saya ikut Minah ni dulu. Okay, thank you so much, Miss. Alright. You're from Iran?
Yeah.
Okay, nice knowing you. Wow. Oh, serius, cantik lah. Sekejap lagi saya akan tunjukkan di luar. bagaimana rupa dia teheran yang ada di luar. Okey, sekarang saya berada di kawasan yang dinamakan sebagai glass box, di mana kita boleh ambil daripada pemandangan daripada gelas ni untuk kita tengok di luar, kawasan yang di luar itu. InsyaAllah, jom saya tunjuk pada anda. Okay, saya tengok kaki saya berjalan di atas glass box. Bismillah, ya Allah, ya Allah. Okey, tengok tinggi. Serius, di atas glass box ni adalah pengalaman yang sangat menarik sebab saya berdiri di atas glass box dan di sini kita boleh buat jumping, tapi tak adalah, saya takkan buat bungee jumping tu. Gila. Okay, depan tu ada lagi seorang perempuan yang akan buat jumping. Bungee jumping ni adalah world highest bungee jumping, iaitu setinggi 280 meter.
What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we can never find? What about now? What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we could never find? Baby, before it's too late. Baby, before it's too late. Baby, before it's too late. What about now? Yeah. We started as friends, but something happened inside me. Now I'm reading into everything, but there's no sign to hear the lightning, baby. You don't ever notice me turning on my charm. I wonder why I'm always where you are. I've made it obvious, I've done everything but say you're so long, but on and on you get me wrong. I'm not so good with words, but since you never noticed the way that we belong, I'll say it in a love song. I've heard you talk about how you want someone just like me. But every time I ask you out, never move past friendly. No, no.
Okay, saya dah habis dalam glass box, saya nak berjalan di luar pula. Ya, alright.
I wonder why I keep you on the phone. I made it obvious, I've done everything.
Okay, tadi kalau di dalam glass box tadi kita boleh nampak dia lah, dia tak ada macam ni, dia ada berdiri macam ni, jadi kita boleh ambil video tapi dia tak nak clear kalau kita dalam glass box.
The way that we belong, I say it in a love song. Yeah, you are my very first thought in the morning, and my last nightfall. You are the love that came without warning. I need you, I want you to know. I've made it obvious, so finally I say you so long. Oh, yeah. Whoa, since you never noticed soon. I'll say it in this love song. I wake up with your name resting on my lips, like a soft little memory I can never resist. Every place that I go, every breath that I take, you're the thought in my heart I can't ever escape. I try to move on, but I circle back again. Your voice in my head like a living gentle flame. Tell me why your love stays when the nights turn cold, why your touch still feels like a story I can't let go. 'Cause I can't get you out of my mind. You're running through my heart all the time. Every dream, every breath, every moment I find. It's you, only you, living inside. Baby, I can't get you out of my mind. No matter how far we fall behind, you're the echo, the whisper, the love I rewind. I can't get you out of my mind. Your laughter still dances in the corners of my room. Your shadow still stays where the moonlight blooms. I try to forget, but the memories pull me near. You're a song in my chest, only I can hear. Why does your love stay like a mark on my soul? Why does my heart break when I lose control? Tell me how your eyes still shine in every dream. Why your name hits my heart like lightning through me. 'Cause I can't get you out of my mind. You're running through my heart all the time. Every dream, every breath, every moment I find. It's you, only you, living inside. Baby, I can't get you out of my mind. No matter how far we fall behind, you're the echo, the whisper, the love I rewind. I can't get you out of my mind. Maybe our hearts were meant to meet, even if the world pulls at our feet. Maybe your love is where I belong, the missing line in my lifelong song. If loving you hurts, I'll take the ache. If dreaming of you is a risk I take, I'll keep dreaming, I'll keep holding on. 'Cause my heart's been yours all
Okey,
along.
sekian saja saya berada di luar ni untuk melihat Bandaraya Tehran daripada atas. Setinggi 228 meter, kita boleh naik ke atas Milad Tower ni untuk melihat kota raya Tehran. Kejap lagi saya masuk ke dalam untuk dapatkan sedikit rasa panas di dalam. Sebab di luar ni sejuk, saya kena pakai sarung tangan dah sebab terlalu sejuk. Okey, ini dalam bangunan yang sebelum kita keluar ke kawasan Observation Tower. Di sini agak panas. Best lah.
Baby, I can't get you out of my mind. You're the fire my heart can't hide. Every moment, every night, every second in time. It's you, only you, forever chill stays in my spine. I can't
Okey,
get
sekian
you
saja kembaran saya di atas Menara Milad ataupun Milad Tower yang terdapat di Kota Raya Tehran, Iran. Masa untuk kita turun ke bawah. Jom. Kita dah dalam perjalanan untuk turun ke bawah daripada ketinggian 288 meter. Okey, daripada tingkat ketinggian 288 meter tadi, dia turunkan kita di floor keempat untuk kita menikmati dulu pemandangan ataupun shopping mall yang terdapat di sekitar kawasan bangunan Milad Tower.
You and I had something special, baby. Something that you only see on movie screens. I know. Lately I've been missing you like crazy.
Okey, sekian saja kembaran saya di dalam Milad Tower. Sekarang saya nak balik lagi ke stesen metro.
I've been feeling low, but I don't think that that's the way to go. Sometimes I'll be sitting on my own, thinking about life, thinking about you and me. How do you lose the one you love after giving it all? You gave it up. Well, maybe my love wasn't enough. You think you know, but you never can. How do you lose your only plan? Well, darling, just give me one more chance, and I'll give you everything I have. I'll try to be a better man. I felt things when we were naked. I saw an angel, but they've hidden their wings. I know everyone's got that special baby. Oh, why? Now I only see you in my dreams. Most guys will get high when feeling low, but I don't think that that's the way to go. Sometimes I'll be sitting on my own, thinking about life, or thinking about you and me. How do you lose the one you love after giving it all? You gave it up. Well, maybe my love wasn't enough. You think you know, but you never can. How do you lose your only plan?
Okey, sebenarnya saya masih lagi terpegun dengan Tehran ataupun Iran ni sebenarnya, sebab walaupun dikenakan sekatan ekonomi sanction yang begitu lama oleh negara-negara barat, terutamanya US dan Eropah, tapi Tehran dia boleh membangun, dia boleh maju sebenarnya. Kalau kita tengok kehidupan di Tehran ni, dia sangat damai. Dia tak adalah seperti mana yang diwal-walkan oleh media barat beritahu dekat Tehran, macam-macam lah yang kita dengar kan. Tapi saya rasa sepanjang saya dah di sini dua hari, saya rasa macam okey je. Tehran ni best sebenarnya, sebab negara dia maju, penduduk dia pun baik, ramah. So dia memang welcoming kita sebenarnya. Ini adalah Tehran. Saya sebenarnya masih lagi terpegun ataupun salut lah kepada Iran, walaupun dikenakan sekatan ekonomi yang lama oleh Tehran. Saya tengok dia boleh membangun dengan majunya dan dapat mengalahkan banyak negara-negara di Asia Tenggara ataupun di Afrika. Walaupun dengan sekatan demikian, dia masih dapat membangunkan negaranya dengan betul-betul berjaya. Okey, dah sampai di stesen Milad Tower. Okey, sekarang saya berada di luar Imam Khomeini Square. Saya nak pergi tempat tadi sebenarnya sebab saya nak makan. Saya cari dululah di mana tempat yang saya keluar malam tadi. Ini adalah Imam Khomeini Square.
I try to be